Hello, in today's video, we will discuss how to use your Crumbl birthday reward. Watch until the end to learn all the details. To use your Crumbl birthday reward, you first need to check your texts or email for a message containing your Crumbl voucher. Crumbl sends these out at the beginning of your birthday week. Once you receive the message, click on the link provided to redeem your offer. It is important to note that you will need a Crumbl loyalty account to use this reward. To use your voucher, you can scan the QR code in store, on the app, or on the Crumbl website. If you don't already have a Crumbl loyalty account, here's how you can create one. On the app, open the Crumbl app and navigate to the Loyalty section. Click on Earn Free Crumbs, then join the birthday club by entering your birth date. After this, wait for your voucher to arrive. On the Crumbl website, go to crumblcookies.com and sign into your account. The link is in the description below the video. Once signed in, go to Earn Free Crumbs and add your birthday. Wait for Crumbl to send you a voucher on your special day. And that's it. That's how you use your Crumbl birthday reward. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.